One day I was following the ST and I noticed something straight away. The brake lights are always on. So today I'm going to show you how you can diagnose a problem and fix it as well. So just to show you guys that the lights is currently off, I'm going to walk here to the front. There we go, 0 off, and there's no one stepping on the brake, but the brake lights are on. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. We're quickly going to go switch her off, and we are going to need a new brake switch. So this is how it looks like, and let me explain to you how it works. The brake switch can either be located in front of the brake pedal shaft or at the back of the brake pedal. So this one is located in the front. So how it works that whenever the pedal is actually on an upwards position, it is compressing this button over here. So whenever you start pressing the brake pad in, as this sensor or whatever expands, the brake lights will come on. So it works the opposite way at the back. If it's at the back, it's usually in an open position. As you compress it, it presses the button in, meaning that your light will go on. So this is going to be a quick fix. It's literally a clip of one hand. I got a screwdriver here with me. It's kind of difficult to get it out, so it's just to wedge it out. So let's get in this uncomfortable position and try to replace it. This is one of the worst positions ever, but I hope this is the brake pedal. Pull it all the way up. Right over there you can see we've got a blue switch and we have a black switch. Straight by looking at it, you can see the point is actually broken off. The point that needs to expand and pull out. So I'll expand and be compressed. So I gotta get my hand in here, and usually with them you just gotta turn them and then they will pop straight out. Okay, so now hopefully we can get in here so I can show you guys. So here is the clip, very easy. You press it in and lift it up. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the screwdriver, press it in there at the back just to give it that little bit of a wedge upwards while I hold the button in. And I don't think I'll be able to do this with one hand. Here is the side-by-side comparison of the two. As you can see, this one doesn't even have the spring in anymore. It is completely broken. But because it's out, we can just do a normal comparison. Just make sure both of them are having the same electronical clips, which is 2 over there. Let's just check this one. 2 over there. Perfect fit. Okay. So we're going to go put this one back in. So it's actually very simple. We just put the clip back in at the bottom. And when we do press it in, it goes up in an angle, and you just make it straight. So let's do that quickly. I'll be trying my best to get the best footage as possible for me to install this sensor or brake switch over here. So there's actually a hole in here that it goes through. So you're gonna put the tip in first. I'm actually looking through the camera and not in person. And then also the switch here at the back where it clips in, you want to make sure it faces upwards. And then what we're going to do is we are going to turn it a little bit sideways. So as you can see there, it will go in and compress the button. And then we are just going to press it in all the way and then just straighten her up. Sorry guys, the left hand is so stupid. Let me just see if I can move this one over here. Okay, hold up. I couldn't get the footage of me actually turning it in, but when I did turn it, it did clip up. So let's go ahead and start her up. Clutch in. Alright, as you guys can see, the lights are still off. And sorry, it is a pretty windy day. Let's walk here to the back. And boom, now you can see this light up here is off. Also the light, I can't see anything. So this was a successful install. So I do hope that this short video helped you guys out, and I hope I explained it as good as possible. But if this was helpful in any way, please make sure to drop a big like. And if you'd love to support the channel, hit the logo at the bottom right corner to subscribe. If you want to see any of my similar how-to videos or whatsoever, hit any icon on the screen. And I'll see all of you legends in my next video. But for now, peace out.